bird watching is fun, guys. It was hot right here. I'll get you out of that window. The sun is bright. Look at them. It's not blurry. I can't see a thing. It's too bright from the sun. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. This is Lynny's Tangles of Crochet and a Budgie life. Sorry if I'm not doing it right. I'm trying. And of course the magnet loves my phone, or the bird cage in my phone. Seem to never get my words right. Sorry about that. I just think she's in there though, so they're sharing. That's a big deal. They're sharing. Can you see? Sorry for the blanket. I don't know if they got any kind of shenanigans going on today, but they're doing something. They both are in there. I'm pretty sure I got her head popped out. Can't see if this is in my eyes. I can't go that way. That. I guess that was the best. She's been cleaning their cage for about 30 minutes, and that's where they ended up together. Oh, they're cute. Aren't they adorable? I sure hope I can get this in here in the screen on at least some. They're so cute though. Oh, my babies. I think they're just gonna sleep. Oh, she's biting his tail. I sure hope I'm recording this right. This is the most adorable thing in the world. Oh my god. That would make a cute sticker. Yeah, it would. Alright. There she comes out. You tired of him? Aha. I see you, Spirit. Sky's on the swing. My last video I called her Spirit. And I caught myself doing it one other time as well. Hey, Spirit. Well, that's losing my mind here. Yeah. In the process of cleaning, it's almost done. So, yeah. Gotta get back to work. I just really wanted to share the shenanigans this morning. Caught them both in the same coconut, didn't I? See, we all can learn to share. Not pluck each other's eyes out or tail feathers. Alright, guys? Yeah. Always blurry when I get too close or something. Oh well. Life goes on. Sweet birdies. Spirit. Are you going back in there? You gonna go back in there, huh? Sky, are you gonna let him back in? That's the question, huh? Whoa, dizzy. See, even my screen says I'm dizzy. Blurred. Blurry, dizzy, right guys? Sun is hot right here, so I don't want to make it too short of a video. It's only 5 minutes long. Try to go for 10. What you guys gonna do, huh? Yep, no helper today, just me and my 2 budgies here. It's a budgie life, it is. It's a budgie life, it is. Oh, tell me about it, right? Sky, you tell him. Back off, Jack. That's my coconut. So that's my coconut. Oh, blur. I don't know if distance I'm going, or I have to stay like right there to not blur. What a pain in the neck. But it's worth it. And I'm not ditching this footage. It's because of a little bit of blur. Special effects, right? Something like that. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Almost at my mark. Let's see. Well, update on there. Millet spray is a very messy item. She didn't really eat any. He ate it though. She used to love it. Hey, did you see that? He's pulled out a feather. Hey, what are you doing? You don't even have your paper in there yet. And oh my goodness, I just cleaned that. Spirit. Sorry guys. I did. I just grabbed a soap and water. The rest I put in the solution. I didn't want to take that one out, so I just use soap and water for now. It's a lot of work on me. I enjoy it, but I'd rather have my helper help me out with that stuff. Like she did good the other day. Yeah, she did good. Oops, they did blurry. Can you say blurry, boys and girls? Boy birds and girl birds. Well, yeah. Spirit. Had to do that on camera, didn't you? Jeez. Spirit. This guy is falling asleep, so leave her alone. Oh, I'm wrong. Her eyes were closed. She was just resting. My forehead in that dumb reflection. Stupid thing. Blur. I have my own special effects, right? I think I'll try to put it on 5.5. There we go. Let's try that. I was trying to get up close to the coconut to see their faces somehow. I did look in it yesterday. I think I said that already. I looked in it and there's no mess and no eggs. And maybe I need the nesting stuff. I think she kicks them out once it gets a little fresh with her. Right, Spirit? It's a birdie bird world. Right, guys? And always heads or tails. Because most of the time his tail feathers are sticking out. And that sure is a tail, right? Heads or tails? Do I see birdie heads or birdie tails? There he goes. See? She said, get out of here, Spirit. Get out of here. There's only room for one. Occupants of one, not two. See, tail feathers. At least he's sort of in there, not looking at his tail end. Get it? Just the tip of his tail feather sticking out. There's no room for it in there, I don't think, when she's in there. So that's where it stays. I'm going to take it back over here one more time. What you doing? What are you doing, birdies? What are you doing? Be good. No fight. Hey. Hello, birdie bird. Spirit. You had it all day yesterday. I saw you. You was in there doing your thing. She sat down there on the perch, so don't even try. Alright, I think that's enough because the cage is in the sun and I need to get everything back in there. Clean up the mess he just made. Jeez, Spirit. And put the paper in. Give him fresh food and water. That's what I'm in the process of doing today. Alright, guys? Oh, look how cute she is. Spirit. They have yet to be on that bottom swing. This gets pooed on. Spirit and Sky's Poo Adventures. Spirit and Sky Shenanigans. Shenanapoo. That's why I made up my own word yesterday. Shenanapoo. Just a bunch of shenanapoo. Yes, it is. Right, guys? Yeah, I'm pretty sure she's closer to 7. You could tell she looks a little older than him. And he has to be about 5. Closer to 5. 4.5. Something like that. I haven't seen his Gotcha Day pop up on my phone yet. Or on Facebook. It'll be, shoot. I don't remember it all. Should have wrote those down. I have to ask my husband. Maybe he remembers the day he got him. Probably not, though. Oh. I'm doing all these pictures because you know how you can make the stickers in your phone, so that's pretty cool. I think they want their purchase back. Alright, guys, we'll go to 15 and that's it. 15 minutes. 4 more minutes to go. Spirit, be good. Swinging away. I couldn't get rid of that swing. He likes it too much. Right, Spirit? She doesn't go on it, just him. And he hops and flies to everything up there too. Ooh, up close and personal with you today. How about that? Wish I can get a bigger cage, but it would take up too much space. I don't have the space for it here. Yeah. Hey, it's a lot better than Sky's first cage was just a 1-story. It's a 2-story condo. Hers was just a 1-story. I tried putting them there together, but you know, it didn't work. So, luckily, hubby got this. Excuse the shenanapoos and the shenanigans, everyone. Say bye, Spirit. Say bye, Sky. Bye, Spirit. And bye, Sky. Mommy's gotta get back to work. Oh, I still got 2 minutes. Oh, and I started a new, well, no, should I say now? I'll say now. I started a new crochet project. Stay tuned and I'll tell you what it is. It's really cool and cute. I made one for myself once. I'll give you that clue. See if anybody pays attention to my stuff. One more minute to go, guys. Gotta get you out of that sun, huh, Sky? Sun is bright right there in that corner, huh? Yep. Oh, we'll end it on 14:44. How about that? He picks at that grassy stuff, fake grass stuff, paper grass. And he doesn't do anything else with that other beads or anything. They're for chewing, but I think it might be easier for parrots, not parakeets. Budgies. Budgirigars. I said that right? Getting the 444. Hang on, guys. Say bye. Talk to the. Please like, subscribe. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thanks, everyone. See you in the next one.